there are angels all around us. Angels in the guise of friends, of community members, of loved ones, and we feel those angel wings. We don't just sense them, we feel them. We feel the love, the kindness, the joy that there is in this life, in spite of what appearances may show us. This community of love and light and peace and joy that we get to come to every week and bask in the glory that is God in each person. Because we know that God is all there is, no matter what appearances are. And in this world right now, it causes us to pause and ask the questions, why? Because so much pain is inflicted on innocent people in Israel and Palestine, in the Ukraine, in places we are not even aware of, and God is right there. And for each person we say, feel God, feel the love that we all share with you, the peace, the light. Know that God is all there is. And for those of us here in the room and those who are watching online, this service today fills us with peace and joy and hope as we ground ourselves into Mother Earth. We anchor ourselves there, knowing that as we are anchored, we can be a positive effect for change in this world right now. Thank you for this service. Thank you for the music. Thank you for the message about the tree of life. Thank you, God. I can let this prayer go now because I know it is unfolding perfectly. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Spirit. And together we affirm, and so it is.